Pullers for dismounting of seals out of steering rack MS405 and MS3058. These tools are applicable to all power steering racks. The smaller puller is used for dismounting of seals out of steering rack pinion. The bigger puller is used for dismounting of seals out of steering rack hydraulic cylinder.
The VSE127H05 adapter set is designed for the removal and installation of ball joints on the Mercedes Sprinter range of vehicles. For removal, use these parts of the adapter set. The tool can be used with a standard workshop press, but when used with the VSE127H hydraulic ram, the job can be carried out in situ on the vehicle, saving valuable time and effort. However, for improved clarity, we have removed the wishbone from the vehicle. Assemble the tool as shown. Then turn the ram handle clockwise to push out the ball joint. Now you can dismantle the tool and remove the ball joint from the wishbone. And that completes the removal procedure. For installation, use these parts of the adapter set. Push fit the new ball joint, then assemble the installation components as shown. Now press the joint home using either the VSE127H hydraulic ram or alternatively a workshop press. Turn the ram clockwise till the joint is fully engaged. The VSE127H05 makes a tedious job quick and easy. And that completes the installation procedure.
The SKF internal bearing puller kits are designed for dismounting bearings from housings, where the fit is on the outer ring. The pullers are constructed for optimum strength and durability and suit a wide range of bearing bore diameters. A sliding hammer allows high impact forces to be applied and is ergonomically designed to enhance user safety. The TMIP series has a unique patented SKF design and can help reduce the time to dismount a bearing. Unlike most internal bearing pullers, the spring-loaded extractors can be quickly and easily fitted to the inner ring in just one quick action. The TMIC series has an expandable collet design made of high-strength steel and is designed for applications where there is a limited space to grip behind the